Morning, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch and PC Preparedness on Monday, June 5, 2023 on our planet. Hope you're all well today. So this is another fire report from my region, this time fairly close to me, within view. The area of the Okanagan, southern British Columbia. On the highway we call the connector, 97C connector. So I am where the heck am I? So I'm right here. Now what's interesting about these fires and heat anomalies. Now this one, the satellite acquisition time was at 03:43 a.m. this morning. The first one. Subsequent fires behind the wind at 11:09 this morning, and one ahead of the wind, same time. So we go to windy. Our first fire is right here, and it is precisely 353 feet up from this vehicle pullout. So it's right up in here. Please note the direction of the winds. Coming from the west. Our secondary heat anomalies, and I don't know if they're yet a fire, are behind the winds, right here. And of course a third in this region here. So let's take a look once again on Google Earth. So the one at 03:43 hours is up the hillside 353 feet from this vehicle pullout. Right up here. However, curiously, so again, 353 feet up this embankment is our first fire. One moment, please. So let's continue. Our subsequent heat detection or fire, once again, is behind the wind. So 3,387 feet. One kilometer away. So we have two additional heat detections in this region here. And one on the other side of the highway. First fire, 0343. Heat anomaly, heat anomaly, heat anomaly. Obviously, this one's going to be a secondary fire that jumped over the highway. Our winds are coming from this direction. Let's quickly see if there's any updates. No, so the satellite has not done an overpass yet. There is a volcanic region, known volcanic region. There is a cinder cone in this region here, listed. So there you go, folks. We're well underway for our wildfires. Let's take a look at Harrison. So this one we have a spread. And I will wait until the satellites do another few passovers before I do an update this evening. Check in later.